Hey guys, I'm Miss Lamarni and you're welcome back to my channel. So I've been craving banana smoothie and I decided to make one. Trust me guys, it tastes way better than it looks. There's this amazing feeling that comes with having what you've craved for, and I've been craving banana smoothie for over a week. So glad I finally made one. Alright, so on here I have my watermelons and I'm just transferring them into my blender like so. Then I have my chopped bananas, apples, and little ginger. I can't really find it in this plate, but I chopped very little ginger. So yeah, banana, apple, and ginger. This is my favorite part, guys, when making your smoothie, banana smoothies to be precise, and you do a mix of liquid milk. It does the whole magic. It gives it this heavenly taste. That's what makes the difference. So always unless your system isn't too good with milk, then you could actually skip it, but that does the whole magic. I don't think I can have banana smoothies without milk. So yeah, here's our cup of goodness. Ready. This tastes so yummy, guys. You should try one and drop a comment when you've done yours. Leave a feedback. Let me know how you like your banana smoothie being made. Alright, like there are other recipes you could try. There are other fruits and seeds you could use to spice up your smoothies, but for today, this was what I craved for. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Like and see you on my next video. Much love.